We're fixing a cat today. We got our cat supervising over there. What are you doing? You already got fixed. You want that fixed again? I guess not. Are you protecting me from predators? Thank you. What is all this mess? Gotta remember where all these hoses go, okay? We started in the dark, and now it's light out. $1,100 worth of hose. And my helper is nowhere to be found. Probably napping somewhere. Leak-free. Wonderful. This is where you're hiding, huh? Had a good nap? Ah, you stuck now. Lazy boy. You want to see the engine? I'll open it for you if you don't get scared. Hey, wait, look, watch. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Check that baby out, huh? Can't wait to get your paws on that, huh?